Hello, K. Jolie Crochet Basics, and this is a preview vlog. This is number 18 on the vlog train, so I've been doing, this is really, I can't believe like it's going this long, you know, not going this long, but that I haven't like missed one and stuff like that. So, anyway, where I'm at, I'm still working up Helen. I had some problems, not really problems, but you know, just a little bit on the shaping and stuff like that. And then also the stuffing, getting it like firm enough to work it out and stuff like that, you know, and just resizing pieces and things of that nature. So, but I'm hoping she'll be done by this weekend. Kiff is up there. That's where she's from. And I listed a, you know, a made when ordered Kiff on my Etsy's. So link below and all of that, and the patterns there, and the pattern for Barry and all of that. So let's see. I don't know where I'm at. I'm still purging and getting rid of stuff. I realized that the bags I'm using are really big, and so I was totally like filling them, and yeah, so my back hurts because it's lifting, like you don't think about it like, you know, like a coat or whatever, not so heavy, but a bag of clothes heavy. So that I've been dropping off, and that's good, because normally this stuff will drive around with me in the car for months. You know, I'll totally forget to, you know, drop it off because it sits in the cargo area. So I'm glad I'm actually getting it out, you know. And even mail, when I have to mail like bills and things and whatever, it always goes round trip with me. I'll pass by 2 different post office, several, you know, street mailboxes and stuff, and then I'll park, shut the car off, look over in the passenger seat and be like, oh good, you came back home with me, fabulous, you know, because I always take the mail out for a ride, around the neighborhood with the mail. So, and then I got sick again. On Friday, I was in the drugstore. I was like CVS or Walgreens or whatever, and somebody's like, I guess, I don't know, whatever. I guess I wasn't paying attention, tunnel vision or something. Somebody had sprayed perfume, and I walked like, I got a huge whiff of it, started choking right there in the store. It was so magical. I just started choking, and it was bad. And then I got a sore throat from it. And then the next day my nose got all stuffed up and all aggravated and everything. So that was fabulous, you know, because I walked into a cloud of perfume that somebody decided to spray. So really just trying to work stuff out, be more efficient, and just get it going. But I just seem to like keep getting interruptions, like all the, like, you know, days where I sit down and I'm like, yeah, I'm free, you know, I'm gonna sit for the next 3 hours or 4 hours and work this out and ba. And then I get an urgent text or a phone call from, like, you know, the boss man, and things have to be figured out and stuff like that, you know, and then it's 3 phone calls and texts, and then I'm digging through tax refunds and crazy paperwork and stupid stuff, you know, and where like you thought you were free, but you're not. So I think that's kind of where I'm at. And a PSA for you, a public service announcement: get off your duff and get some allergy medicine, because spring is here, you know. And even if you never had allergies, like you develop, like we never had allergies when we were kids. We had pets in the house, and we played in the park, and we went, you know, in the woods and whatever and everything. And not a sneeze, not a sniffle. And like now, all of my siblings are like always miserable come springtime and stuff like that, you know. So you just develop them over time. So pick up some allergy medicine, even if you don't really have. And you should always have Benadryl in the house anyway, because you never know when a food allergy is going to hit you. What else? I think that's really it, actually. And it's so funny because, not funny, but I do these vlogs on Wednesday, and I post them on Wednesday. I try and get them done earlier, but there's always something that I have to do. Okay, fine. So by Thursday, I'm like, la, 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 la. By Thursday night, I'm like, oh, what am I going to talk about next week? What am I going to, show and discuss and whatever. And I turn the camera on, and I'm like, well, I don't have anything to say this week. And, I don't know, go on some weird ramble or whatever. So, I guess that's just the silliness of me. Anyway, I guess I'll cut off here. I don't even know how many minutes I got in. Last week I had to time it because I had to be somewhere. So I had to set a timer to get the heck out of the house. But this week, I just don't know what to discuss. I guess that's it. So with that, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching, as always. And definitely happy hooking because it keeps you off the streets and keeps you out of trouble. And always looking super cool. And I will be back real soon with the next vlog, video, whatever it is. And, more patterns and stuff like that. So, have a super great day. And I'll be back soon. K. Jolie, Crochet Basics, vlog number 18 on the vlog train. So, and spring is here. Be back soon. Ciao.